Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make this delicious, soft and moist mango marble cake. This is so easy to prepare and so tasty. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Now into a bowl, add in milk, vinegar, mix it and keep it aside for some time. Now add in some oil. I have used vegetable oil here. Add 1 cup mango puree and combine everything together. Now let's add in all the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, baking powder and baking soda. Sift it and mix it all together without having any lumps. Finally, add in some vanilla essence and mix it. Now separate around 1/4 cup of this mixture to make the chocolate batter. Add in some cocoa powder and mix it. If you like, you can add around 1 teaspoon of coffee powder into it. Now our chocolate batter is also ready. I'm making this cake in a bread loaf tin. Now grease it really well with oil. Place a parchment paper and apply some more oil on top of it. Now into a piping bag, add the chocolate batter and keep it ready. Now let's take a tin, chocolate batter, a cake tester. Now spoon in the mango batter. Now make any design with the chocolate batter in the piping bag. Take a cake tester and run it through to make a design. Again pour the mango batter on top of it and repeat the process. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Wow, our mango marble cake is ready. Allow it to cool down for some time. Now flip it over onto a plate. Now slowly and carefully remove the parchment paper from the bottom and cut it into slices to see the marble designs. This is so delicious, very soft and moist, and the process of making it is so interesting. If you pour the chocolate batter in different ways, you can create different marble designs. So definitely try this recipe at home and leave me a comment if you like it. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. You can watch more unique and interesting recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.